If you've got a puncture, you may not need to replace your tyre, but it's a bit more complicated than simply plugging the hole because it's about your safety. So let's show you the correct way to repair a tyre, just so you know what to expect when you bring it to an NTDA member garage. First, the tyre is taken off the wheel so it can be fully inspected, inside and out. We're not just looking at the puncture, we're checking the overall condition and the inside wall and whether the tyre's been damaged from being driven flat. If there's anything unsafe, your tyre must be replaced. We don't take any risks. Only certain punctures can be safely repaired. The hole must be in the centre of the tread and not near the edge and not in the sidewall. And if it's bigger than 6mm, a repair isn't safe. If everything checks out, the technician cleans the area and uses an approved patch and plug system. Inserted from the inside of the tyre, it's then sealed permanently through vulcanization, a process that bonds the materials together securely. After the repair, the tyre is balanced for a smooth ride, reinflated to the correct pressure and fitted back onto your vehicle, with all bolts tightened to the proper torque. A properly repaired tyre will not only keep you safe, but help you get the most out of your tyres. But remember, in certain circumstances, your tyre may not be able to be repaired. If it's not repaired properly, it shouldn't be on the road. So there you have it. Now you know that a proper puncture repair is not just a quick fix. It's designed to keep you safe. And if you bring your car to an NTDA member, you'll drive away with confidence that your tyre has been repaired properly.